Shenzhen Carav Electronics Company Limited is a professional OEM ODM POS hardware manufacturer based in Shenzhen. Keeping innovating, cooperating and developing together. It is our philosophy. Carav aims to provide more professional services to our partners, create value for customers and achieve mutual benefits. Welcome to Carav. Our main product are Touch POS Terminal, Touch Monitor, Self-Payment Kiosk. Also we provide POS Printer, Cash Drawer, Scanner, as client's requirement. To enable the outstanding Persian to fully realize their self-value. Create a beautiful future with Carav team together. In addition, we also have a strong sales team, after-sales service team, design team, to better serve and support our partners. Currently, our business have been expanded to North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Middle East market. We gained several patents, module, which can effectively meet different customers' OEM requirements, and also have acquired C, FC, OL, ROSE, for our POS and POS peripherals products. Welcome to our factory. It has 2,000 square meters, 2 production lines, and nearly 30 skilled workers. The monthly production capacity reaches more than 2,000 units. POS screen and touch panels are assembled in the dust-free workshop, which can keep them clean, no dirty dot, less dust. All POS equipments will go through strict aging test over 48 hours before inspection to ensure product quality. All products will pass 5 test procedures before shipping to assure the quality.
Support to customize your logo on the POS devices, label, manuals or packing. Our warehouse center have 2 warehouses, more than 1,000 square meter. More raw materials and product are in stock. Fast shipping.
SKA signing ceremony. Reading club. Birthday party. Annual conference. For more POS information, welcome to contact us.